So when we have an identity to verify, you need to turn the complicated side into the easy side, okay? So we need to get to a point where the answer is negative cosine of theta. And whenever you get there, you're finished. And this is something you really haven't done before. So this is your first crack at this, okay?
First thing, say cosine.
So cosine of theta plus 180, if we look at our rules, is the cosine of the first guy. This would be alpha, and this would be beta, right? So it's cosine of theta, cosine of 180, minus sine of theta, sine of 180. Who does not understand what I've done? I've just used the formula to say what cosine of something plus something is equal to. Does everybody get that? We can't look up on our unit circle cosine of theta or sine of theta because we don't know what theta is, right? Theta could be anything. But we can look up cosine of 180, and cosine of 180 is negative 1. So this is going to be cosine of theta times negative 1 minus sine of theta, can't look that up either, and the sine of 180 is 0. So here, sine times 0, what's going to happen to that? It's going to go away. So now this is negative 1 times cosine of theta. Did we get to there?
We did.
So we're done. Well, with the sine, this is alpha, this is beta. There's a minus sign in between. It's going to be sine of 270 cosine of theta minus sine of theta cosine of 270. So just like last time, the sine of 270 is negative 1 and the cosine of 270 is 0. So the right side of the equation goes away, and it's what you're left with is negative cosine of theta. Identities get harder than this. This is an introduction to identities, okay? They're not always going to be this easy.